Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something that I have never done before. So we're gonna be redoing my parents' washroom. I have challenged myself to find a way to do this with under $350. So let's make it happen. I'm gonna show you what the bathroom used to look like. Painting the cabinets. I use this off-white color called Pearl Necklace by the Designer Series. This is the easiest part. I already finished the first coat when I filmed this part of the video, and I used a small roller brush and a fine brush to fill the edges. Next I used some putty to fill in any holes from old screws or cabinets or any fixtures like that. I also used masking tape to tape off all of the edges of the ceiling and the bathtub. This paint is called Skipping Stones, also by the Designer Series. I didn't take any breaks when I did this, so that paint roller got really heavy fast. Now, for my favorite part, marble contact paper. This is a really cool trend that I've seen all over YouTube, and you can use it for so many things. Get this little pack with a smoothing tool and an X-Acto knife when using this. This is definitely the hardest part. I cut a curve in the material to kind of fit the sink and make it easier to lay down, and then I cut some incisions around that curve so it would be easier to smooth out later on. I laid it down, and then everything got stuck together, and then it didn't fit and it wasn't straight, so I had to do it again, and everything was getting creased, and I was so nervous because I really didn't think it was gonna work. But eventually it did. You have to make sure to smooth out all of the air bubbles. It's really tedious, so make sure everything gets out. Lay everything really well over all of the edges, make sure everything's straight and nice. And then you're going to want to use an X-Acto knife just to cut out any of the extra material. For more insight on this product, it is waterproof and durable, but I wouldn't suggest using it long term. This is definitely a cute fix, but not permanent. A small area on my counter wasn't covered by the contact paper, so I found a small piece that matched the pattern in that area, and I just laid that down there so that it would look perfect and almost like that was never there. I did try to give you guys a satisfying paint peel, but it clearly did not work out. This one's a bit better, but I couldn't get the camera close enough. Hey guys. So after I finished painting the washroom, I put in a mirror, some shelves, little accessories just to dress it up. And I am going to insert some before and after clips, as well as add in the links for all of the products that I use in the description. I did manage to finish the entire project with less than $350, so that was really cool. It's definitely doable. And a really cool thing to do during this time with coronavirus. I would also like to thank all of the essential workers because you guys are really important and I'm really grateful for everything that you do. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if there are any other projects you would like to see me do.